Welcome to Get Addiction, where we talk about cycling kits and gear, and today I want to talk about easy off bibs. And what do I mean by that? Easy off bibs are bibs that it's easy to take off without taking your jersey off. So imagine that you're wearing standard bib design like this. I'm sure us ladies have already figured that out. That's why you found this. It's for nature break style bibs. So you can't really take a nature break in this without taking your jersey off. Now imagine you're wearing this jersey, all the pockets are full, you're in a porta-potty, and you gotta go, but this is what you're wearing. The struggle becomes pretty real. And you better be fast about it because the guys are outside and they're ready to go. So that's why nature break style bibs were invented. I'm wearing another pair under this. This is Bontrager, and we'll get to that in a second. But if you're searching for styles of bib that have nature breaks options, there are several here, and that's what I'm going to go through today. So the first and most common that you'll find is the halter bib. Each type has its pros and cons. Halter, the pros of it, very easy to use. Boom, right over your head. Almost impossible to like mess this up or for it to be wrong, right? The issue is that sometimes people find that because it's over your neck like this, if it's the wrong size, it'll cut right into the back of your neck in a longer ride. Other issues, you see this one, this is from Terry. Not shade to Terry, I'll give you individual reviews of each bib short slowly over time. But these don't have a lot of support. They're kind of just loosey-goosey mesh. It's not horrible, but if we're talking about structurally, I can deal with the visual aspects later. That's not really the issue when you're talking about easy off. You're really talking about the structure that allows you to get them off. And these are, while they're not bad, because they're the way it's designed leaves it very open and it doesn't give you a lot of support. So it might give you kind of the same problems that a short pair of shorts has. Every halter bib is not created the same. Everyone is not created the same. Like that was Terry, and I'm sorry Terry, that one happens to be the lowest among the lowest of the bunch, the cheapest of the bunch. You have things like Ale. This is much better constructed and taller and gives you a little bit more support. Dirt and Asphalt, again, taller. Similar issue with the flapsiness, but the way it's designed, the other material is a little stiffer, so you do have a little bit more support. Better. She Beast, I'm sorry, Flapsy. This one's Lulu. Lulu has a lot of support. As you can see, it's almost like a full bodysuit. It even has a zipper in the back. The issue, and that's something that you'll find common with easy off bibs and bibs with halters. This design at the top is not so great. Again, I'll do a more detailed review of each one individually, but when you're shopping for a halter bib, make sure that the band at the top is forgiving. You do not want something like this bra strap material that seams. Look at that. Oof. Ouch. I'm sorry that that's blurry, but you get the gist. I'm using my words. Okay, so halter bibs, the issue there is the top might cut into you. Just make sure it's the right size. Then you're moving on to the other side of this is all the alternative versions of that. Halters by far are like the bulk of the market when you're talking about nature break options for bibs, women's bibs. Then you have the zippers. I think there's 2 or 3 companies that are using zipper options to get out. This is Endura. Zipper goes across, like so, and your booty's just out there. And that's my issue with the zipper. Love Endura as really is a great bib. The zipper placement sometimes on zipper easy off bibs is usually right over your butt. So if that zipper fails, and honestly these are really well made. Again, no shade, but it's gonna be a concern. You got a zipper over your butt, and the next guy behind you in the pace line's like right there. So if it opens up, you've just mooned the whole group ride. Huzzah! So that was my issue with Endura. No shade against them. Again, I still wear them. I just tend to wear them in the winter when I have an underlayer on, or jacket or something. Then you have the Specialized. Now Specialized is the other one that's like, I love these bibs. This is another good bib. They're magnet style. So they have a rear magnet. Remember, we had the halters, zipper, rear magnet. Rear magnet kind of hits all the right pieces because it still gives you the same basic design of the 2-strap front and the 1-strap back, but you can get out of the back. I mean, it's genius, right? I think Specialized has since updated this magnet. Like, see this kind of brocky? I think they updated it and made it like flat 2-piece magnet and a cloth system. So they improved even on their design. I love when companies are thinking about making things that like we actually want to wear. So props to Specialized. Magnet is definitely a good option. Again, I'm not really sure you're going to Google search for that one, but Specialized is a company that makes them. I know for a fact makes them. So that's one. And then you have, this is Pearl Izumi. I don't even want to really take this off. I don't even really care. Pearl Izumi changed this design. This is a bra strap. So this is, again, the back of the bib short. I think this is the inner pool PRO, whatever that means. They changed the design because they knew it was ridiculous. If you see anything with a bra strap, just don't get it. Oh my god, no, horrible. Why? You have to like, you're hooking and you're trying to do all this. The idea is that you're not supposed to have to take your jersey off. Obviously, this is not ideal for a situation where you're in a porta potty and you have to, yeah, I know, bra straps, we all practice, but it's still not fun, it's not easy. No, easy off, easy is the word, the key word. So I'm gonna put Pearl Izumi back. They've since updated that design to be a crosshatch. That's more like these that I have on right now. So right now I have on Bontrager Meraj bibs. They cross in the back. See that? Very easy. And pull down like so. So they don't need a zipper. They don't need a magnet. They don't need a halter top that kind of cuts into you at the top. And they're adjustable here. So when the bands do inevitably stretch, you can tighten them if, you know, it accommodates multiple torso lengths. Yeah, that's the reason I'm wearing them right now, right? Okay, so that's my comment on cross back bibs. So inner pool, Pearl Izumi, they replaced this terrible design with a cross back, kind of like this, except with much wider straps. Unfortunately, I don't have those because how many bibs can I possibly buy? If you want me to review them, please send them to me. Otherwise, I think I'm at max capacity for now. So I think that is it. Oh, and then we have, this is honorable mention. This is Allele. Allele, I love ya. Great company, lots of style. Handcrafted in California, something like that. The design of this is a front. This is the front of the bib. So it comes down in the middle and then clips here. And it's a hook closure. Unfortunately, it's not easy. That's why I'm not even really taking them off and like trying to untangle them from the massive bib shorts that are up there. They're not easy to get off. So therefore they're not really intended to be an easy off or a nature break system. Yes, you can do that, and Tralala or whatever from Assos has a similar design where it's in the front. That is not nature break friendly. You still have to pull that up and get it over whatever, and then pull it down, and then you're holding it to the side because the long end is at the back. And just no, okay, this was designed really this is an athletic design. It is incredibly comfortable to wear because it comes down in between, down the middle of your chest, not the sides, where that can become uncomfortable over time. And I appreciate that design consideration, but I cannot group them with the rest of my easy off bibs. It's like somewhere in the middle, because it's definitely not easy. Again, with the bra strap. The bra strap and the front closure, not easy. Sorry, Allele. Pearl Izumi, thank you for adapting and learning. I don't know what Allele's doing. I'll check in and see. Hopefully they figured out something. I don't know. And I think that is all the types. So to review, the halter bibs. There are quite a few. I think I went through them. Lulu, She Beast, Dirt and Asphalt, Ale, Terry, and I'm sure there are other companies that are doing it. The zipper styles, this is Endura, and I think Velocio is the other one. I'll probably make a list in the comments or on my website so you can see all this. This is quite a lot. Pearl Izumi, they upped their ante, and I think we're gonna call them the crossback. They used to have a drop tail style. The drop tail, I still have that in like a speed suit or something, but I've never seen it. I don't think I've ever seen it in a bib. And they've since changed it to be a crosshatch style, so it's kind of irrelevant, but look for drop tail if you are looking for, if you're searching for an older style bib that's still good quality and you still want to be able to like get out of it, drop tail is acceptable, a good search term. And then Allele. Moving on, Specialized with the magnet, right, that's the last good one. Right, besides the Bontrager Meraj, which I will do a full review of later. So if you have any questions, comments, anything else you want me to review, please leave it in the comments and, subscribe. Go ride your bike.